The Good Jobs Hawai program is looking to better people's lives and put them in jobs that they want to be in.
Good Jobs Hawai actually helped me pay for the program and my schooling.
This class gives a great overview into plant propagation and into a field of study that you may not know that's different than others, that you get to work with your hands and be outdoors and gives you a lot of fulfillment.
One of the things that I loved about the plant propagation program was the hands-on. We would go out to the gardens, we would ask a question in the classroom, and then our instructor would take us outside. There's a farm, there's aquaponics, and we would plant the seeds and we would diagnose leaves and things like that.
Some places that my students are working because of the plant propagation class are Kualoa Ranch and City and County of Honolulu.
I think Kualoa Ranch and Kualoa Ground are just really excited to have a partner that is helping us to find really motivated, qualified candidates. And so the candidates like Marcy come to us very well prepared and very motivated.
I love coming to work, and we're working with all different plants, some very different tropical plant that I've never even heard of before.
We grow the largest variety of different produce in the Hawaiian Islands.
I'm here at Kapiolani Park and Rec. It's called Urban Forestry. And my duties here pretty much come in the morning, check all the irrigation, make sure all the plants is getting watered, make sure that pruning is involved, all dead leaves, and keep it tidy and clean. I'm excited for the future for myself because I know I've got a good job underneath my belt. It'll take me to where I want to go in life.
If you're interested in agriculture and food sustainability and you want to share your love of the aina and take care of it in a certain way, I think this is a program that could really help facilitate that.
Thank you for this opportunity that you have given to me.
Mahalo to Good Jobs Hawai for all that you do.